guys! My name is Rain and welcome back for another Makeup Diaries vlog. So pagpasensya na yung boses ko kasi hanggang ngayon sinisipon pa rin ako. So medyo ngongo yung quality ng video na ito. And for today's episode, we are going to recreate my first video here in YouTube. So it's the sweetheart look in shades of pink. So, a little disclaimer, yung mga ginamit ko noon time na yon is wala na siya sa collections ko. So, fully consumed na siya or yung iba is pinamigay ko. And today, we are going to use the Squad Cosmetics pa rin and other tools that I have available ngayon. Sorry. So, wag natin patagalin pa. Without further ado, let's start. And as usual, voiceover na tayo mula dito. So, starting with foundation, I'm using Vice Cosmetics Dream Focus Liquid Foundation in the shade Light 2. 2 pumps of the product lang ang kinuha ko, pero sobrang thick ng formulation niya. So, ayan, let's apply the foundation brush sa face natin. And I'm going to blend it out using a concealer brush. Yes, hindi foundation brush ang ginamit ko. Kasi most of my foundation brush is bagong laba and basa pa sila. And this is a good alternative for my foundation brushes. I know that the foundation is too light for my skin tone. Pero ika nga, trust the process. Next is kilay, and here is the Caroline's Eyebrow Liner. Pero spoiler alert, hindi ito ang ipangkikilay natin. So for today's video is we are using Everbelena's Eyebrow Pencil. So this is my first ever eyebrow pencil talaga na nagamit ko, and dito nag-start ang aking journey sa pagkikilay or pag-makeup. At dahil sobrang pigmented nga ng product na ito, ay diretso fill in na ang ginawa natin. So that is fill in then brush, fill in then brush. Dahil manipis nga ang buhok ng kilay ng auntie ninyo, kailangan magdagdag or magdrawing ng karagdagang kilay ang auntie nyo. So this is Focallier's Anti-Smudge Eyebrow Pencil. At dahil sobrang nipis nga ng pencil nito, is pwede kang makagawa or makapag-drawing ng kilay. At kailangan magaan ang kamay mo. Next is clean up naman. So we are going to use the Squad Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Shade 3. So at the back of your hand, maglalagay ka ng konting product and use a flat angled brush for the clean up. Okay, so pag ginagawa ko to, ang ginagawa ko is kukuha ko ng konting product and then itataktak, hindi naman itataktak, kundi tatanggalin ko yung excess product before applying it dun sa eyebrows ko, dun sa ilalim. May tendency kasi na sobrang kapal na pagkakakuha ko, so nasisira yung makeup. Next is using a clean beauty blender sponge and itatap mo yun sa face mo to remove the excess product. And onto my favorite part. So mag-eyeshadow na tayo. Using a flat brush, kukuha tayo ng light nude shade from the Boss Squad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And of course, magko-contour tayo ng ilong. So this is the part where you are giving dimensions to your makeup. Dahil nga sobrang puti nung shade nung makeup sa atin is we had to create depth. Next is using the Peach Eyeshadow Makeup Palette. With the help of our most favorite brush, the dual-ended eyeshadow brush, we will get that peach color. So using the fluffy end is apply it to your whole lid and make sure to blend it out smoothly. Next is this slightly darker pink and apply it to your upper eyelid, tapos i-extend or i-blend nyo siya upwards dun sa crease. And whatever is excess dun sa product is i-blend out para ma-smoothen mo yun dun banda sa crease ang transition nila. Next is this slightly or the darkest pink dun sa palette. And i-apply mo siya sa outer V. So, ang stroke niya is pa-upward. And whatever is left dun sa brush is extended to the crease. Ayan, so i-blend out mo siya. And from our boss Quad Cosmetics is yung medyo maroon ang kanyang color. And using a flat brush, ayan, apply the color sa ating lower lash line. And here we have BYS Kohl Eyeliner Pencil. So, dito magta-tight line tayo to make our eyelashes look fuller and mamilog ang ating mga mata. Because the look, yung goal natin sa look nito is magmukhang cute and bubbly. You can also skip this part if hindi ka comfortable. Kasi after tight lining is we will be applying an eyeliner. But before that is maglalagay tayo ng highlight dito malapit sa ating ear ducts. And also sa top ng lids natin para meron siyang shimmer-shimmer. And then, ito na, the moment of truth. Mag-eyeliner na talaga tayo. So, paano nga ba ako naglalagay ng eyeliner? So, first, dun sa ating outer V is gagawa tayo ng isang manipis na linya. So, create a wing first dun sa labas, then i-connect mo siya dun sa upper lash line natin. Similar to tight lining pero sa medyo labas. And then, swipe to fully cover. Next is blush on, and yung blush na gagamitin natin is similar to Barbie Pink. So, using a blush brush is kukuha tayo ng right amount of product, tap off the excess, and apply it to your cheeks. So, yung pag-apply, dahan-dahan lang, simulan sa apple ng cheeks mo, going upwards near your temple. And of course, going back using the same shade of eyeshadow is that aayusin natin yung pagkaka-define ng nose natin. Syempre, para kahit cute ka is slay pa rin. And of course, kapag sinabing cute is hindi natin makakalimutan dapat ang highlight. So ito, ilalagay mo lang sa medyo taas lang ng blush on mo. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang lips. I'm using Vice Cosmetic Lip Tint in the shade Ever After. And lastly, we will set the face using our Everbilena BB Flawless. So ayan, you can use a puff or a powder brush like me and apply it to your whole face. Syempre, huwag kakalimutan din ang leeg. And you're done!
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty,